Hey, this is Jeoffrey from SSW.
And I'm Hugo. At SSW, we are always on top of the latest technology. We don't just use them in our projects, we also like to share the knowledge.
There are many front-end frameworks out there, such as Angular, Vue, and React. And at SSW, we love to use Angular for most of our enterprise projects. So if you want to level up and become a top-tier Angular developer, come join our workshops.
We deliver all over France and Germany and can even run them remotely. So come and join us for a one-day hack day.
So now we're going to teach you how to create your first Angular component. And this is actually very easy. All you have to do is scroll down on this page a bit, and you will find this command here, which is ng space generate space component with the name of your component.
And now let's jump into something a bit more complex, state management and NGRX. So NGRX is basically Angular's implementation of the Redux pattern, and this Redux pattern is composed of four main components. The most important one is the store, which will act as the source of truth and will hold the state of the application. Now, when any component has changes, then an action will be dispatched to a reducer, which is a pure function that will update the state. That's the only place where the state can be updated.
So as you can see, NGRX is quite complex. And to make this easier, we're going to teach you how to use AI tools to help you through this. So at SSW, we love using Cursor. It's a very cool tool. And we're just going to basically create a prompt and make sure that everything is basically generated for us up front. And this will make the whole process way smoother.
If you're interested in joining one of our workshops, just go to ssw.com.au and under the events and training section, you will find this page here with all the details you need to sign up.
This was Hugo and Jeoffrey from SSW talking about the Angular workshop. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.
Cheers!